Hello and welcome to the world of Nilu's magic. Today my recipe is ripe mango salsa which we will serve with tacos. So we are going to make tacos and salsa together today. So our dish today is mango salsa tacos. The ingredients that we need for mango salsa taco are chopped tomatoes, some chopped coriander, chopped onions, and chopped ripe mango, lime juice. And we need papad, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and salt according to your taste, and a packet of nachos. We can serve the salsa with it also. So first we are going to make the salsa. Take the onion, the coriander leaves, the tomatoes. You can add a little bit of green chilies to it, as I'm making it for my son and he doesn't prefer having chilies, so I'm not adding to it. You can add some green chilies to give that spicy taste to it. Now I'm going to add the rock salt and the black pepper and mix it nicely. Next I'm going to add the lime juice. After adding the lime juice, mix them nicely. After mixing all the ingredients nicely, it's time to add the mangoes to it. Now mix all the ingredients nicely and your salsa, mango salsa is ready. Now we will move on to making of our taco. For best flavors, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. So now it's time to make the taco. Heat the tawa nicely and then roast the papad properly. Our papad is done. Now take it on a piece of cloth, take a rolling pin and just give little pressure and our taco will be ready. So our taco is ready. Now we are going to do the filling. Our tacos are ready. Now we are going to do the filling with the mango salsa. The filling is done. Now we are going to garnish it with coriander leaves. Add some mint leaves to make it more beautiful. So our mango salsa tacos are ready. You can serve the remaining salsa with nachos. So our mango salsa tacos are ready. Serve it quickly after it is made, otherwise the tacos will become soft. The tacos are crispy and crunchy, and the mango salsa is soft. Both together tastes fabulous. Friends, if you have enjoyed my video, do subscribe my channel, like and comment to support, and if you're watching it on Facebook page, do not forget to follow it. Thank you.